Hello, when I was printing the astronaut kitty, this happened. My name is Peter, and in this video, I'll show how to fix such a mess and finish the print successfully. The reason why this happened was a mix-up of two spools, as I intended to use orange PLA, but instead I grabbed orange PETG. PETG and PLA don't adhere well together, so after a while, the PETG pieces started peeling off from the bottom PLA layer. After pausing the print, it was necessary to remove the orange PETG first. It was mostly easy, although there were some areas where I had to use a scalpel. Throughout the process, it's important to keep in mind that the printer must not lose its coordinates where the print head is located. Therefore, it is advised not to turn off the printer or manually move tool head. After removing PETG, it's time to edit the G-code file. I send G-code files directly from the slicer to the printer, so I had to first download the G-code and then open it in a text editor. I knew that the orange filament is used from layer 9, so all I need to do is delete everything up to the line where layer number 9 begins. Most slicers add comments to the G-code, which makes such searching easier. In my case, each layer starts with a G-code comment, layer number. So I just need to find the text layer :9 and delete everything before it. I save the change G-code file and load it back into the printer. If the extruder or the print bed has cooled down in the meantime, it is necessary to manually set the desired values again, as the new G-code does not contain any initialization and starts printing directly. Right after the start of the print, it is necessary to check if the nozzle height is correct and make small adjustments if needed using baby steps. Then, all that's left is to wait for the print to finish. I hope it will help someone at least, and if you have any questions, I will answer them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and if the video was useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Thank you.